Once, the idea of bringing a photo to life seemed like something out of science fiction, and now it's literally a couple of clicks. I use the neural network Kling AI, and honestly, impressed. With its help, you can take any image and turn it into a living video. The person starts moving, blinking, smiling. It looks really cool. It works very simply. You upload a photo, choose how it should come to life, and voila, in a minute you have an animation. You can make a person dance, turn, make different expressions, all through the neural network without editing skills. At the start, Kling gives free credits. That's enough to test features and create several animations. And if it's not enough, well, nothing stops you from registering a second account or a third. I think you get it. For those who want to try something simpler or completely free, there is also the event service. It is slightly lower in quality, but it doesn't require a subscription and also allows you to animate photos. A great option to start. Overall, such tools are not just entertainment. They are a way to create things that used to require a lot of time and skills. And now AI does everything for you. Try it yourself. Upload any photo and watch it come to life. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe. I'll be sharing more cool neural networks that really work. Stay tuned.